My first question is, how has your daily routine changed after installing the smart home system?
So after the automation of the lights and the fans, my daily routine has become much more convenient. I don't have to really think about switching off the lights and the fans before entering or leaving the room. So overall, it has become time efficient and disciplined.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. My second question is there any automation feature that surprised you in a good way?
So while we were planning to do the automation of this home, we had met Mr. Ketan Shahji, and he had seen this. He had actually come to our house to see what automation services he could provide. So he had suggested that we go for the step automation, all right, and he had shown us some videos of how he had done it in previous orders as well, and we were very influenced by the way he had conducted that. So the step automation is one of the features that actually surprises the people who come, my guests and my friends who come at home. They really like the way the step automation works. So that's one of the feature that I really adore.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. My third question is, how has your daily routine changed after installing the smart door lock?
Oh yes. So the second surprise element, of this automation was the safety door lock that I have got from Galaxy Home Automation. So if you look at that door lock, people get surprised as if because we are able to talk to the person who's there at the door. Okay. So overall, the security has enhanced, and people are really surprised by that feature in that door lock.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And my fourth question is, how satisfied are you with the installation process and the training of Galaxy Home Automation?
So the team at Ketan Shah's Galaxy Home Automation is really good. If there's a scale of 1 to 10 and 10 being the highest, I would rate them as 9 okay, out of 10. I would specifically want to appreciate Aniket. He's one of the person who keeps coming to my house, and he has given us good training. And he has actually trained us on all the features, of that this can be on Alexa, phone, and there's an app as well. So every time there's something, whenever Aniket comes here, he'll ensure that he keeps on training us and keeps it updated.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And my fifth question is, how would you rate our customer support so far from service to installation process?
It was good. I have not faced any issues. So we have been directly interacting with Ketan Shahji, the owner of the company. So far it has been really good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for this. Has the smart system added value to your home or lifestyle?
Yes, as I said, my entire lifestyle has become quite disciplined. It has reduced the time. It's become time efficient actually, and now I'm able to divert my time in a more focused way and more time to my work. So yeah, it has impacted in a great way.
Thank you, ma'am. And what made you choose Galaxy Home Automation over others?
I think you know what. So we were looking at many vendors while we were trying to do the home automation, and then my husband was surveying a lot many vendors, and then later on we saw videos and the work that Ketan Shah has done in the past. Probably that was one of the reason that we went ahead with him, and it was value for money as well. And I can also say that his team, whenever throughout the process they were with us, they were quite helpful. Whenever we asked them that, we are there at home, please come and visit us, they have always done that. So maybe that's the reason that why we are today with Ketan Shahji.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And my last question is, if a friend asks about Galaxy Home Automation, what will you tell them?
No, I'll ask them to come and visit my home and see how good it is. And they should always go to Ketan Shahji and look at more work what he has done, which will give them more confidence, in Ketan Shahji. And of course, then Galaxy is the go-to service point.
Thank you, ma'am.